Hi, greetings everyone. In this video we will understand how to display two views at the same time. When you build your task list, a single Gantt chart view might be the best. But most of the time you want to see the entire project as well as the specific details for a task, resource or assignment. The details pane displays a second view in the bottom half of the project window, so you can see the details about the tasks or resources you select in the top pane. The initial view you see in the project is the timeline view in the top. So here this is the timeline view and the Gantt chart view in the bottom. But if you want to see those details, you want to display the details pane. So to do that, on the view tab, go to split view section and turn on the details checkbox. And then project hides the timeline pane as you saw right now, and it shows the details pane here in the bottom half of the window. So the interesting thing about the details pane is when I select a task or resource or assignment in the top view, the values for that task appears in the details pane in the bottom half of the window. If I click a different task in the top, I will see the information for that task. So that way you can see the high level view of the project as well as the details about the specific tasks or the resources, so that the window doesn't get too complicated. You have to choose those between seeing the timeline view and details pane. So you can see that if I click the timeline checkbox, it comes back, and when I click on details pane, it hides the timeline view and the details pane appears. Just click the down arrow key. You can choose what you want. In this case, I am going to choose the task detail forms, and that choose a little bit more than the task form. Now one thing, when you have two views displayed like this, you have to be a little bit careful when you want to apply a new view. You have to make sure that the right pane is active. So for example, if I want to change the view that appears in the top half, I want to click somewhere on the top half of the project window. You can always tell which view you are looking at by looking at the label over the format tab. So here it says Gantt chart tools, and that tells me the Gantt chart view is active. If I click down in the task form, you can see that the label changes to task form tools. So I will go back and click the Gantt chart again because that's the one that I want to change. If I want to apply a different view, I click the drop down arrow and choose the other view. So here you can click on other views. Now another thing you can do is, when you have these two views displayed, you can also change how much of the window is devoted to the top view or the details pane. And to do that, you point to this horizontal divider here. So here there are two types of dividers. This is the vertical divider and this is the horizontal divider. So point to this horizontal divider until you get the two-headed arrow. You can drag the divider, the task details form a little bit shorter, and the Gantt chart view in the top pane a little bit taller. Now there's another way you can actually display two views in your project window, and that's actually to create a second window. That's actually a really good idea if what you want to look at is two different parts of the same project, because you can't really do that in a single view in this one window. So to do that, you click new window. In this case, if there were more than one project open, you could select the project that you want. But in this case, we just have the one project, and you can tell that by looking up here, and you see that the project name has a colon and a 1, and that shows that there is more than one window open. If you want to see both the windows at the same time, over here in the window section, click arrange all. So this is the icon. which will help you arrange all the windows at the same time. And now you will see the one window in the bottom, and it says commercial construction 1, commercial construction 2, commercial construction 3. You can also drag the corners and the sides of these to reposition them and resize them just like you would any other multiple window in a program. What's great about displaying two views is you can see the big picture of your project in top view and details about the specific tasks or the resources in the details pane. I hope the video was self-explanatory. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.